Hello and welcome to Microsoft Office in-depth training. This is Rahman Digital Production and we will give a in-depth coverage to the MS Office. Today we are going to start Microsoft Word, which is a package of MS Office. MS Office is the product of Microsoft Corporation and different packages are inserted inside MS Office which are necessary for office work. For example, if we are typing and we are a production typist, MS Word is there. If we want to do Excel, if we want to use spreadsheet analysis, then Excel is there. Similarly, for presentation in offices, we have PowerPoint. And the most important one is Microsoft Access, which is a database. Similarly, Outlook, Express, MS Project, MS Publisher. There are different varieties available inside Microsoft Office. All these things are necessary in the office. One can't be survived in the office without the skills of these. We are starting Microsoft Office and first we are giving coverage to MS Word. Uh, Dear friends, this course is available for both the beginners and advanced learner. I will keep you intact until you become a master of the MS Office. Remember that we will do practical work, how to create CVs, how to write different reports, how to generate spreadsheets and database projects as well. So be ready for the fun. Let's jump into the world of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is technically known as a word processor. About 85% people are using for typing books, CVs, different reports in the world. This MS Word. Okay, first thing as a professional, I have to do in my office to open Microsoft Word. How can we open Microsoft Words? There are different ways. The most simplest of which is click on start button and then you have to come all the way down to the Microsoft Word in my computer. Might be in your computer this is available very nearly, but in my computer it is available at the end. You can see, so word is written. Before clicking on this word, please pay full attention. I want to show you a very special thing, and that thing is vanishing very soon. So please pay attention, and when I click, I will tell you that the first screen which is appearing on the screen is technically known as splash screen. Splash screen is giving you the description of that software in which you are currently working. Now I am clicking on it and this screen, this one, which is disappeared very quickly, is known as splash screen. You come to this environment. We will talk about this environment, but first let us learn other ways of opening the Microsoft Word. That was the simplest way. Now we are going to learn the second way of opening the Microsoft Word. Uh, if you can't use mouse, you don't have the mouse, your mouse is out of order and the computer giving you a tough time in moving the mouse like this. You go there, so that is very difficult without the mouse. So, is there any other way of opening the Microsoft Word in easy way? Yes, gentlemen. This is the place. You have to click here and then you have to write when word. When word is the word, and then you can see this word app, and you don't have to move because you don't have the mouse is out of order, so you have to click enter on this, and again you will see the same screen. In fact, you can achieve these things from another way as well. On the keyboard you can see Windows key and R. When you are clicking these two buttons simultaneously, then type the when word here as well and press enter. So this is another quickest way of opening the Microsoft Word. Many students are asking me, sir, is there any other way of opening the Microsoft Word? Yes, there is another way of Microsoft Word is uh, you have to, for example, if you want to open Microsoft Word with administrative authority, then you have to right click on this taskbar, any empty area, not on the button, and then you have to click on the task manager. Here you have to click on the file, and then you have to run new task, and here you have to write when word, uh, and then you have to click this checkbox. This is called checkbox. What is the meaning of checkbox? Checkbox give you an option to select more than one option at a time, while there are radio button or circular small button. In a few occasion you will see it, that is called option button, in that you can select only one. So here I am clicking this, and they are saying that create this task with administrative privileges. Yes, now you have full authority over Microsoft Word. So click on this way, and again you will see that famous environment of Microsoft Word. So this was another way of creating the Microsoft Word. The people are telling, the student in fact are telling me that, sir, is there any other way of opening the MS Word? Yes, there is another way. Which one is that? Right click on the desktop and then click on new and then click on the folder. Not folder. Then you have to click on the shortcut. Right click, new, and then shortcut. When you are clicking the shortcut, then you have to write the path here of Microsoft Word. When you install Microsoft Word, it means that it will be installed somewhere in a folder. Locating that folder step by step is called finding the path. Many times you professional will listen this word, write the path. Path mean where that program Microsoft Word is located. So click on browse. If you are not seeing, computer will help you. So click on browse, and I know the location. People are saying that how we will know the location. I am telling you how to, and somebody also told me that how. So this PC, and then I am clicking on Windows. So after clicking the Windows, there are two programs files. One is this one and one is this one. You have to click the program files 86. multiplied by x86. You have to expand this, and then you have to find Microsoft Office. And after finding the Microsoft Office, you have to click on the root. This is the path finding technique. Now you have to come to Office 16 because I have Office 2019. Might be you are having other version of Microsoft Word. So click on this one, and then you have to come all the way down to W because we started from A. This is access. If you are creating shortcut for access, then this is the place. There are many software of Microsoft. This is Excel. If you click on Excel and then click on OK, it means that you are creating a shortcut for access. So we are currently in M file name. So we have to go to W because that is the when word. When word means Windows, word for Windows. I am still moving on because Microsoft Word is a very, very huge program. All the thing there is Microsoft Word, WinWord, and when you click on this OK button, you will see that this is the path about which I was talking a few moments ago. If you memorize these things by heart, then you can type it here, which is extremely difficult for human beings. If you are writing one character mistakenly wrong, then it will not work. So the best way is to browse. Browse means guide me. You are asking the computer, and the computer is guiding you, and uh, uh, then you are selecting that MS Office. Then I am clicking next. If you want to change the name, you can change it, or if you want to click on finish, so it means that you have created this Microsoft Word. By double clicking it again, you are being able to open the Microsoft Word environment. Uh, Another thing you can do with this is that you have to right click on it, and you can pin it to the taskbar as well. So you can see that it is pinned inside the taskbar. When I click on this button, then the famous environment of Microsoft Word is open. If you want to remove this from, so you can say that unpin from taskbar, and then you can delete this one as well. So this was another way of opening the Microsoft Office. Whatever way suitable to you, you can use that one. At this particular stage, always my student, sir, is there any other way? Yes, there is another way, and that is very fantastic way and the most easiest way. Can we give a shortcut key to the Microsoft Word so we can open it? Yes, gentlemen, you have to right click on this WinWord and then click on the properties, and selecting the shortcut, you have to click on the shortcut key. And gentlemen, you have to observe one thing. I am clicking the control button, but Alt is coming here automatically. If you can observe this, this is coming automatically. Why is it like this? Because Control A, Control B, Control C, Control D, Control E to Z is occupied by a command. So you cannot give, if you are giving a command, then the first one will be replaced and that will create problem. So when I am creating this control A and then pressing the dot, yani alt plus control plus dot is a shortcut key for opening the Microsoft Word. People are also asking me that what is the difference between apply and OK. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that OK is performing the task of apply, but the reverse is not possible. Apply means stay here and I want to check the application of this. If you are clicking on this apply, you will not get out from this dialog box. You click on it, it is applied. You can check it. But if you are satisfied, when you are satisfied that yes, I did it correctly and it is working, then you can click OK. If before the apply you are clicking OK, then you checked it and it is not working, then you have to go again to that particular area. So that is a time wasting. So apply it, check it, correct, then click OK. So now I am checking this by pressing that shortcut key which I given to it. I press control plus dot and now you can see that this famous screen is coming. We will talk about the uh, blank document in a very uh, greater detail inside the uh, uh, next video, but for the time being you have to do practice on these things. You don't need any copy or pencil to note it. Video is with you, revise it again and again. uh, that's it for today. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification and we will be in contact. Thank you very much for your time.